Hi friends, this is Naga Rohith Reddy. You are watching Tech Awaited. Today let's look at the newly launched smartphone that is Redmi Note 11s. First of all, I'll clear your doubt. It is not a 5G smartphone. Make sure to subscribe our channel for every tech product review. Like this video, it motivates me to do more tech videos. Watch full video to know the pricing of this smartphone. Now let's come on to the topic. First, let's look at the display. This smartphone has 90Hz FHD plus AMOLED display. This display is improved and colors look punchy and bright. Multimedia experience will be super and top notch. Let's move on to camera. Redmi Note 11s has 108MP AI quad camera setup. It has 108MP primary camera sensor, 8MP ultra wide, 2 megapixels macro, 2 megapixels depth. The photos from primary sensor are excellent. Photos look like they are took from flagship smartphones. Photos look natural and the colors in the photos are popped. Dynamic range is excellent. Low light photos are decent. Overall, camera is improved than Redmi Note 10s. Macro photos are also good. Now let's look at the selfie camera. Redmi Note 11s has 16 megapixels front camera sensor. Selfie photos are excellent. The details in the photos are good. Overall, optimization in this camera is improved a lot. Let's move on to battery. This smartphone has 5000 mAh battery and it lasts easily one day at high usage. Redmi Note 11s has 33W Pro fast charging adapter which charges this smartphone 40 to 50 minutes. Moving on to performance. Redmi Note 11s has MediaTek Helio G96. It is a new processor from MediaTek. It is a gaming processor. We can play high graphics games to a very high settings. It is a gaming processor. We can play high graphic games in high to very high settings. Performance is excellent in this smartphone. You can consider it for gaming experience. Since it is a gaming processor, this smartphone has vapor cooling system that helps to cool the smartphone while performing high tasks. Now let's look at the design. Redmi Note 11s has flat edges and looks premium. By the way, it is available in 3 colors: space black, horizon blue, polar white. Coming on to UI, this smartphone comes with MIUI 13 with Android 12 out of the box. There are many features in this UI and the bugs are removed. Overall, the experience is improved than MIUI 12.5. Now let's look at the additional features. Redmi Note 11 has dual stereo speakers, Corning Gorilla Glass protection, Z-axis linear vibration motor, IP53 rated, 3.5mm jack is available. IR Blaster which operates the smart devices. It also has RAM booster which extends RAM up to 11GB. Coming on to conclusion and pricing, this smartphone is slightly overpriced but good at this price range. The only disadvantage is it is not a 5G smartphone. If you are looking for the best 4G smartphone at 15,000 budget, this smartphone is for you. Coming on to pricing, for 6GB RAM plus 64GB storage variant, it is priced at 15,499 rupees. For 6GB RAM plus 128GB storage variant, it is priced at 16,499 rupees. For 8GB RAM plus 128GB storage, it is priced around 17,499 rupees. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel for honest and detailed reviews of every tech gadget. Like this video, comment below your thoughts and suggestions. As I am signing off, see you in the next one.